wrong, it's contemplation of buhay.
Ako magamit na naman ang mga nagbibigan, ang
nalaligas at mga salita.
Di ba?
Kung makikita talaga sila. As an oral communication teacher partner, it's a wow to me.
Di ba? Agad-agad. Grabe din. Ayan natin yung second candidate.
Okay, so kanina, di ba sabi nila about, yes, other than your mom, whose woman has had the biggest impact on your life and why? Again, ulitin ko yung tatanungan. Other than your mom, whose woman has had the biggest impact on your life, why?
Thank you for the wonderful question. Aside from my mother, the woman who has had the biggest impact in my life are my sisters. They teach me the good thing, the loudness, the caring, and to believe in myself. I got all the time I stop.
Enjoy pa ako. Tapos na pala. Sisters. Ay, may isa ka ba kay Julia? Tatlo.
Are you Japanese? Yes, diba?
Meron pala iba yung